happened to be out in Torrance. Now we gotta see what's up here. And of course we gotta go straight to the back wall where they got 30% off the back wall like every other Nike outlet right now. Starting with the smaller sizes, LeBron 4s right here. The graffitis. And these are tanks. That's like the only word I can use to describe them. $170 for these. Pro Strong's way too much at $145. 7.5 Jordan 12 Golf. Yeah, I thought these were golf. They don't even say golf no more. What the hell? Jordan 12 Lows, $120. Size 8 right here with the Savalios. These are for weightlifting, $95. Those are more for powerlifting, actually, not even regular weightlifting. $130 for those right here. Jordan 2s. Forces, what's going on with these Forces? $95 for those. What is this right here? What is this? I don't know what these are. Looks like a school color. I was like, is this a school color? I don't know, but GT Hustles, $170. 9.5, $120 for the Jordan 1 highs. Nike Calm Slides right here, $50, size 10. Ladies All-Star Weekend colorway, just too much, $160. Mac Attacks right here, $130. Jordan 2s, $140, size 9. The Double Bubbles right here, $150 for those Air Max 90s. I saw that, I was like, is that extended size price? No, not really. $160 for the Infinity Run 4s. Is this a refurb? Nah, not a refurb. Jordan 38s right here, 2 bills for these. Couple clearance racks, but we got a bunch of others that do 30% off. Let's check out these first. Jacket right here, ACG jacket right here, $225. Holy cow. USA t-shirt. We're gonna start seeing a lot of the team apparel, the USA apparel. Go for way cheap. This is nice. $50 though. $50? Holy cow. Who is this? I don't know. Did I say something penis? Break something? I don't know. I don't know what the hell it says. It looks pretty cool. There's a nice little USA flag on it. That's cool. Too expensive. Adams jersey right here. I don't know where all the players. I haven't been paying attention to all the stuff off season. But yeah, man. I don't know. No price tag or nothing. Oh, wait. There it is. There it is. These are $90. It's a women's jersey. That's what it is. Okay. Dodgers hoodie right here. $75. Jumpman work shirt or something. Bowling shirt. What the hell? $85. USA team jacket. This one's hella nice. Dry fit. It is a double XL. The $400. $400. It better be nice for $400. Good lord. These like track pants or something. Interesting material. It is dry fit material. $55 for those. Shorts right here. It's above the knee, which is what all the kids are wearing. $55 for those. I'm gonna show you guys unique pieces, but nothing we look at is on sale, huh? Nothing. SB cargo pants right here. SB cargo pants. Yeah, they want that full. They want that full hundo. Back to the back wall. What are these? GT Hustle 3s. I see multiple Zoom Air units on these. GT Hustle 3s. These are definitely interesting. Go for $190. Then are these the Jordan 29s? I forgot to show you guys these at Watts. Homie Josh did find one. It was like a size 4 or something like that. These are size 14 right here. And these are definitely interesting. These are going along more with the Jordan signature lines. Like a lot of the signature athletes, they seem to have this type of design. This type of material right here. Does have some faux leather on it. Yeah, these are definitely interesting. Definitely interesting. But yeah, the Jordan 29s. First time we've seen these. Jordan 1 High OGs right here. $120. $160 for the infrared 7s. Invincible Run 3s right here. Jordan 2 Christmas colorway. $140 for those. $140 for these 2s right here. Blazer Phantoms go for $110. What the heck? What the heck? So it's like a platform or something? That's a lot. Yeah, see, these two kind of look like design on 3s, don't they? See, I thought they looked kind of like the Zion 3s. I was kind of second guessing myself. Kind of, sort of. Similar design, not like the exact same, but okay. If they're even close to being similar, much more of a bargain for these. 11.5, 140. But this one had a red tag. Is it the same? See, these are 100. These are priced at $100. It's just the same colorway? No, it's the same colorway. Alright, so get these for 70. Probably, they're kind of similar, way better bargain. These have been here forever, the entire time I've been here, and I finally found one with just one shoe right here. So I think it goes in this one. Not one of the workers saw that, huh? 190 for these. I didn't move it earlier because I was like, did someone try those on? I don't know. Sometimes you can't really tell. But yeah, another one of these, 120. $50 for these Pegasus right here. Holy cow, $50. And then you get another 30 off. Jordan 1 High Golf right here, 150. Zoom 92s go for 70. These don't look that bad. I'm not gonna lie, they have Zoom Air in it as well. Jumpman Team 1s right here, 120. Green Glow 1s right here, 180, a size 10. Some Golf right next to that, going for 230. Some Air Ships right here, $100, size 13s. The extended size price these as well. No, some stuff they did right here. Pegasus 39s go for 50. The gray tag usually means the extended size price them, which means they price them down because they've been here for a while. And usually they do that with the bigger sizes. Didn't really see anything crazy in the aisles. We're gonna run through these real quick. Non-signature Jordans, Team Jordans right here. Got LeBron's right here, and then the budget signature Nike basketball sneakers right here. Got Witnesses. Got KD Trey 5 9s, $50. That's a hell of a bargain for outdoor basketball shoes. Giannis Immortality 3s. They do have the Jordan 1 lows right here. Dunks right here. Do got Dunks right here. SB Niger 3s right here. Got Heritage Folks, and then a bunch of alley-oops. We've been seeing so many of these alley-oops. Prices are going down, which is dope. And then some LeBron Next Gens right here. And finally seeing some Air Max 1 Premiums, 97s, Be True colorway, Air Max 90s, Wolf Gray right here, Pure Platinum of the Air Max 2017s, Deep Royal Hyper Cobalt, Smoke Gray and White, Huarache Runners, got some Huaraches, Flight Legacy right here, Metcon 8s, still waiting to find a refurb of these for hella cheap. And with workout gear, I don't even care what color it is. They got a bunch of running shoes. Kind of a lot of budget options. Not really seeing the craziest ones. Air flows or wind flows and that type of stuff. Women's section do got these right here. And I think this is a men's colorway as well. All right, let's see what's going on with the back wall of the women's, where you get 30% off as well. And I gotta check these. I've seen a couple size 12s. Size 12 women, 10.5 men's, and they extended size price. The last time I saw these. Where the hell did I see that? Was that here? Yo, and look at this. Look at this. 140. 140 for these bad boys right here. And this is size 10.5 men's. I want to say I thought that was here, but now it's back to regular price. Maybe it's a new one. That other one sat around. Maybe they extended priced a bunch of stuff. I don't know. But I do like those. Regular price, so at least you get 30 off. Dang, dude, they literally have nothing for the women. I'm trying to find some running shoes, trying to find something. Metcon 6 right here, the free Metcon 6, 120 full price, but I think that's the latest release. Got some Dunks right here that we've seen at so many outlets, 120. These are size 8 women's. Forces, these are some Next Natures, 115. More Forces right here, 100. These are size 8. Wait, are these some J's right here? Some Jordan 1 all black? These ain't bad. Wait, these ain't bad. Okay. Finally starting to see some stuff. Is that patent leather on it? No, I can't tell. Looks like it's just tumbled leather and they coated it. But these ain't bad. You can wear these with like a suit. Dress up a little, I guess. Do got a little chrome hang tag right there. 135, size 11. So 9.5 men's. Why is that box so big though, man? Zagama trails. Been seeing commercials on TV for those, $145. Not much in the women's section. Price is high as hell too. What the hell? In the aisles, not really much more. Got blazers, got the forces that nobody wants, like the platforms and stuff like that. We've been seeing so many of these here. A couple of the free Metcon 5s right here, still at 100. An Air Max 270s going for way too much. At least that one's under 120, 160 for those. Got some Vapor Max 2023 Flyknits right here. Golden Bullets right here, 120. Love the OG boxes though. These used to trick me every time when I was going through the aisles. Jordan 1 Low OGs and Jordan 1 Highs. We've been seeing these on sale at the retail shops lately. Backpack still 25% off. Not really seeing any interesting ones though. More of like the generic ones, $35. Then you get that extra 25 off. Got some regular price backpacks here. Some of the nicer ones are not 25% off, it looks like. These are down to, damn, 70 still? These are $60 right here and 60 for those. They do have some USA apparel. This is all 30% off. 30% off retail though, but pretty dope. USA apparel. Also got t-shirts right here, $40. Jordan hoodies. It says jackets only. These are technically pullovers, but I think this is what they're talking about. $25. 25. Oh, that's super thin. $25, you get an extra 20 off of 20 bucks. And these are the Jordan engineered hoodies right here. These are thick. These are thick. And I was like, oh, these are pockets. I wasn't sure if it was ventilation. Zippers right there. $105 for these. These are just so much nicer and thicker. That one also 20% off. Is this the same one? No, $60 right there. They got shorts right here going for 30% off, it looks like. 25 bucks. Colors are definitely interesting. And also these hoodies. These are some heavy duty hoodies. $90 right there. Oh, wait. $52. Is it a different one? Yeah, these are the same ones. Looks like one was not marked yet, but yeah, $52 for those. Red ones go for $55. Oh, I missed on these right here. 20 or 30% off of these. Right here, they got them in white as well. But yeah, it is regular price of $40. And then they go down to what? 28 bucks? $28 or something like that. These are $75 for the black on gray. 30% off of these t-shirts as well. $35 for these bad boys. Fleece only right here. $40 for these sweatshirts right here. 40% off though. 40% off. So that's what, 24 bucks? And workout dry fit t-shirts, it looks like. I still don't understand this. I don't understand it. I don't understand who's going out. I don't even like t-shirts with pockets, let alone all that other stuff. $45, at least you get 30% off. These ugly things. Some people are gonna get all triggered because I called those ugly. Who cares? Who cares? Just a douchebag that walks around with the camera. Who cares? If you like it, get it, man. That's what we all should be doing. That's what we should be doing. $60 for golf slacks right here. 40% off though. Got them in black as well as all this other golf apparel because we're out in Torrance and they're next to some bougie neighborhoods. Torrance is kind of bougie, but next to some of the extra bougie neighborhoods south of here and west of here as well. $45, you get an extra 40 off. Got polos right here going for 40. The black one, kind of dope, but kind of hot when it's super hot outside. Got them in a bunch of different colors. Are they all 40? Looks like they're all $40. You get that 40%, so 24 bucks for all these hoodies. They got Tech Fleece. Is this Tech Fleece? No, I don't think this is Tech Fleece. Yoga, but oh dang, dude, 30% off of $43. I think these are way oversized though. That looks huge for a medium. I did show off the Air More Up Tempos in my last video. I switched to tank top because it's getting hot outside, man. It's getting hot. If it's over 80, that's hot for me. I don't know about you guys. Some of you guys love that hot weather. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I need tank tops. Damn, I should have brought, now that I think about it, I definitely should have brought a basketball jersey. I don't mind wearing basketball jerseys. My clothes ain't fitting right either too, so I have all kinds of issues right now. All right, I gotta go home. Gotta go take my kids somewhere. All right, man, we out. Let's, I don't know, maybe I'll have some other footage afterwards. We'll see. Out in Garden Grove, out in Orange County. If you guys live out this way, man, y'all need to stop by this place, especially if you got kids. Nickel Arcade. And this is the place where everything's a nickel, dude. Everything's a nickel. Not really a nickel, but up to 6 nickels, I think. 6 or 7 nickels. So they give you a bag of nickels, and you play by nickels. So like each game, I think the most is like 30 or 40 cents. So you end up saving a ton of cash. She just got a big one. She got a big one. That's dope. That's dope. How many tickets? How many tickets are coming out? Hopefully a couple hundred at least, or at least a few hundred. And they have a ton of the ones that they have at Dave & Buster's for a fraction of the price. They got the big ticket games. They got these. I remember seeing this at Dave & Buster's. They got the racing games. All these for like 30 cents. Kind of crazy. You pay $2 to get in, and then everything costs fractions. Then they got Time Crisis 3, Time Crisis 4, Time Crisis 5, Tomb Raider, House of the Dead, Walking Dead. I beat this game the last time I came here. They got Sunset Riders. I remember playing that when I was a kid. But they got some of like the old school games right here. Galaga. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna play some games. They teaching these fools how to play beer pong, dude. And they getting them ready for college. That's what's up. That's what's up. Come on, fool. You just need 2 more. Oh, damn, fool. Then after that, here at the movies, got popcorn, got drinks. Got a nice deal, of course, too. Nice deal. Gonna watch Deadpool. Finally gonna watch this. After 30 minutes of previews. What the hell?